The Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) has generated its alert for the formation of Cyclone Jawad. The cyclone is likely to reach the Andhra Pradesh, Odisha. Already Odisha has faced 15 cyclones as before, and it's time for alertness. Don't be panicked, keep your mobile phone charged for emergency communication. Prepare an emergency kit with essential items for safety and survival. Keep checking the news for cyclone updates and warnings. Once the cyclone warning is issued, stay at home with a safety precaution. When the cyclone hits, disconnect all electrical appliances. Stay indoors. Even if the winds die down, don't step out until the authorities issue an all clear sign. The News at Odia team is always with you to provide cyclone updates and information. Keep watching News at Odia for more updates. Thank you.